should have ran it if she wasn't doped out.
Oh, you pull your binos out, Kylie? You pull out the binos I got like 3 years ago.
All right, shooter, do you understand the course of fire?
Yes, sir.
All right, so go ahead and load and make ready. Spotter ready?
Yeah.
Who's got the timer? I'll got the timer.
Here you go. Shooter, understand the course of fire?
Yep.
All right, shooter ready?
Shooter's ready.
All right, shooter, engage.
Pretty simple there.
When he does good, he likes it. When he doesn't, he hates it.
Go ahead, make ready, Mikey.
Yep, I'm ready.
Spotter ready?
Spotter's ready.
It's just the nervousness.
Stand by. Engage.
Impact. Impact.
Yeah, 100.
Impact. Impact.
Well, if you want to get crazy, it's actually nearly not.
Impact.
Ooh, that
Impact.
impact.
Was?
It was not.
Impact.
He hit the white plate behind it.
Oh, okay.
Impact. Impact.
See, I told you it wasn't that hard.
Beginner's luck.
Lies.
Good job.
Lies.
Went to Ray Charles School of Shooting right
Now,
here.
last year, we
Yeah.
made it so if you missed
Yeah.
and you kept shooting,
You had to start over?
you lost all your points.
Oh, shit.
So then it really puts that, oh, do I try?
Yeah,
We're not doing that this
it
year.
was
No.
know your limit, so you could quit after 5 shots. Or you
Yeah.
could go
Keep
for
going.
the,
How much time?
in the last match of the year,
58
how many of us
Yeah.
went back to 0 because we tried for that 10th one?
And it cost a lot of your places, too.
Yeah, it did.
I just bought a KYL rack yesterday.
Yeah.
I got it in yesterday. Ran from the restaurant, assembled it, and tried it, and then came back.
You get the NRL one?
I got the cheap Midway on clearance,
Oh.
like $79 one. I got.
Impact.
I got the NRL rated one.
We made our own.
Yeah.
With lawnmower blades.
Lawnmower blade.
He made it. I did it.
Lawnmower blades. I heard about you.